everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet app meeting. I don't know what they call it. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Google Meet. Yeah, I call it Meetup, so probably makes sense that way. So you're gonna need to log into your Gmail account. That's what we're gonna do right now. You are going to add another account. So I received an email from a company and we have a meeting at 5:30 South African time, and I need to join as quick as I can. I really need to join as quick as possible. Okay, here we are. Remember I showed you how to log into your Gmail. So you're just gonna click on that square. Here we are. Okay, so this is my invitation. What I need to do is I don't need to download this. Okay. Alright, I just need to say yes on the invite, or I can just click on the link. Oh no. Okay, it's asking for the camera, so you're going to allow that, and then I turned my camera off for now, and my microphone. Okay, so that's what you do in most cases. When you join a meeting, you disable the two up until the person who invited you tells you that no, you can switch on your camera, we want to see you, and also can you please switch your mic on or off. It is as simple as that, guys. So my meeting is gonna start in 6 minutes time, and let's go back here. It's always wise for you to check the time difference. Okay, my meeting is gonna be 15 minutes, as you can see, UCT time. So make sure you Google the time, and then you compare to where you are. I'm in South Africa, so that's gonna be at 5:30. So you're going to ask to join, and then you are going to wait for the person and they will let you in. Okay, so it's very important to make sure that you see this email. I have to switch the account. It's very important. It's very, very important to do that. And like I said, you always need to switch your mic off, and your camera off, and just wait for the people to join. So that's it, guys.